When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I want you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I promise that no matter how far we've gone, no matter, I'd leave my heart in the palm of your hands. I promise that no matter how treacherous, I'd always do it again. It's crazy, but we made it. Sitting up tall, I hope I don't look too slow. Talking too loud, make sure I don't hear the call. Just smile a smidge so that I can't be called a bitch. Eyes up on the daily, nah, I refuse to crawl. Deal with it, deal with it. Deal with it, deal with it. Can't seem to make it have that much sense. You're making me hold back to what expense. I'm done with it, done with it. Deal with it, deal with it. Well, I'm just checking, checking. Do you always feel this threat? No, I can't explain how it feels to be put up on display. The It's always been the way. Does that mean